Have you ever wondered if something as small as a flaxseed could completely transform your health? I used to overlook them too, until I started adding just a tablespoon of flax seeds to my meals daily. The changes I felt were undeniable: better digestion, more energy, clearer skin. It was like my body finally got the upgrade it had been asking for. Today, I'm here to share the 11 incredible, science-backed benefits you can experience simply by adding flax seeds into your everyday diet. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, and when used correctly, they can support your heart, boost your energy, aid digestion, and even help fight aging naturally. So stay with me until the very end, because I'll also share a simple daily flaxseed routine that makes getting these amazing benefits super easy. Let's dive in. One of the first things that blew my mind about flax seeds is their incredible omega-3 content. Specifically, they're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that plays a critical role in heart and brain health. According to the National Institutes of Health, omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. When you don't get enough omega-3s, you may experience fatigue, poor circulation, dry skin, or even mood swings. Flax seeds are a simple, natural way to boost your daily omega-3 intake without relying on fish oil supplements. These are ways you can add flax seeds for more omega-3s. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over your morning oatmeal. Blend a tablespoon into your smoothies. Stir into yogurt with some berries for a heart-healthy snack. By doing this daily, you're giving your heart and brain exactly what they need to thrive. One of the first benefits I noticed after incorporating flax seeds daily was better digestion. Flax seeds are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, both types your gut needs to stay regular and healthy. Soluble fiber helps soften the stool, while insoluble fiber adds bulk and speeds up the passage of stool through the digestive system. According to the Cleveland Clinic, fiber from flax seeds nourishes the gut's healthy bacteria, improving digestion and potentially enhancing immune function. If you've ever struggled with constipation, bloating, or irregularity, flax seeds could be your natural answer. These are ways to boost your digestion with flax seeds. Mix ground flax seeds into pancake batter or bread recipes. Add a tablespoon into your soup or stews just before serving. Create a gut-friendly chia and flax pudding for breakfast. Trust me, when your gut is happy, everything feels better. Did you know that flax seeds could help protect one of the most essential organs in your body, your heart? The American Heart Association states that flax seeds can help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and even decrease the risk of heart attacks. They contain lignans, which are potent plant compounds that help balance hormones and act as antioxidants, protecting your blood vessels from damage. Flax seeds have also been linked to a reduction in bad cholesterol and an increase in good cholesterol, making them a true heart health superfood. These are ways to support heart health with flax seeds. Replace some flour with ground flax seed in baking. Use flaxseed oil as a salad dressing base. Add ground flax to homemade granola or trail mix. When you incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet, you're helping your heart function stronger, longer, and more effectively. If you've ever dealt with hormonal ups and downs, whether it's mood swings, irregular periods, or even early signs of menopause, you'll be amazed at how something as simple as flax seeds can help bring balance back to your life. Flax seeds are a rich source of lignans, which are natural plant compounds that act like phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are plant-based substances that mimic estrogen, one of our body's primary hormones. When your natural estrogen is too low or too high, lignans help even things out. Think of them like little peacekeepers for your hormones. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, Women who incorporated flax seeds into their diets experienced more regular menstrual cycles and fewer hormonal swings compared to those who didn't. And it's not just for women, men can benefit too. Flax seeds have been shown to support prostate health by regulating hormone levels that, if left unchecked, can lead to inflammation or even more serious conditions later on. These are how you can enjoy flax seeds for hormone balance. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your morning oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies alongside fruits like berries or bananas. Sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or even soups. The best part? Flax seeds are so mild in taste that you barely notice them, but your body certainly does. With daily use, you may notice improvements, such as fewer mood swings, more stable energy, and overall better hormonal health. It's such a small change with such a massive payoff. Heart disease often feels like something distant until it hits close to home. My uncle, for instance, struggled with high cholesterol most of his life. It wasn't until he made simple shifts, such as adding flax seeds daily, that he began to see significant improvements. Flax seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are essential because they help lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, thereby keeping your blood vessels healthy and reducing inflammation within them. Studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have shown that regular flaxseed consumption can reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 10%. That's powerful. Flax seeds also contain fiber, which binds to cholesterol particles in the digestive system and helps remove them from your body before they can clog your arteries. These are how you can easily add flax seeds for heart health. Stir a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your yogurt or cottage cheese. Mix them into pancake or muffin batter for a heart-healthy breakfast. Toss a spoonful into your post-workout smoothie. A healthier heart doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's about little choices, like adding these golden or brown seeds, that accumulate over time to create massive benefits. Protecting your heart truly can be this simple. If you've ever felt the dreaded sugar crash, where you eat something sweet and feel great for a while, only to crash hard later, you're not alone. Balancing blood sugar is one of the key factors in feeling energized, and flax seeds can be your secret weapon. Flax seeds are high in both soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber slows down digestion, meaning glucose or sugar is released into your bloodstream much more gradually. That's why after eating flax seeds, you feel fuller longer, and your energy feels steady. In a study published in Nutrition Research, participants who consumed flaxseed powder daily had significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels after just 3 months. These are how you can add flax seeds to stabilize blood sugar. Add ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie with berries and spinach. Mix them into chia puddings or overnight oats. Sprinkle them on roasted veggies or grain bowls for a nutty crunch. If you're looking to prevent those wild energy roller coasters, flax seeds can genuinely transform your daily energy levels. No more crashes. No more afternoon slumps. Just steady, natural energy that carries you through your day. Let's talk about something we don't always like to talk about: digestion. If you're feeling bloated, sluggish, or irregular, flax seeds can become your best friend. Flax seeds are incredibly high in fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble types. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that helps keep your stool soft and easy to pass. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular, comfortable bowel movements. In simpler terms, flax seeds help keep things moving naturally and gently. A review in the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlighted that flaxseed supplementation significantly improved symptoms of constipation in both adults and children. These are how you can add flax seeds for better digestion. Bake them into your favorite healthy breads or crackers. Stir them into soups and stews for a fiber boost. Add them to your smoothie bowls for extra thickness and digestion support. Good digestion doesn't just mean fewer stomach problems, it means better nutrient absorption, more energy, and even a happier mood. Your gut and your brain are deeply connected, and flax seeds help keep that connection running smoothly. Let's be real, losing weight, and keeping it off, isn't just about counting calories. It's about keeping your metabolism humming and your hunger in check. Flax seeds can help with both. Thanks to their high fiber content, flax seeds expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. And when you're full, you naturally eat less without feeling like you're starving yourself. It's such a relief to have a natural way to control appetite without relying on willpower alone. A study in the Appetite Journal found that participants who consumed flaxseed before meals felt 33% less hungry than those who didn't. But that's not all. Flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, omega-3s, and protein, which also slow digestion and keep blood sugar steady. And guess what? Steady blood sugar means fewer cravings for sweets and snacks later in the day. These are how you can add flax seeds for weight management. Stir them into Greek yogurt for a high-protein snack. Add ground flax seeds to protein pancakes or smoothies. Sprinkle them into your oatmeal or porridge each morning. Weight management becomes much easier when you're naturally full and your cravings are under control. Flax seeds make it possible to feel satisfied, energized, and empowered, all without feeling deprived. If you're struggling with acne, dryness, or dullness, the solution might be simpler than another expensive skincare product. It might start with what you eat, and flax seeds are a skin-nourishing powerhouse. Their omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation that causes acne and redness. Additionally, the fiber in flax seeds helps detoxify your body, flushing out toxins that could otherwise manifest as skin problems. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that omega-3 supplementation significantly helped reduce inflammatory acne. These are how you can add flax seeds for clearer skin. Add them to your morning smoothie with blueberries and spinach. Mix them into homemade face masks, seriously. Incorporate them into your baking, muffins, breads, even cookies. The saying "beauty starts from within" couldn't be truer. When you nourish your skin with the right foods, you glow naturally, from the inside out. Hair thinning and hair loss aren't just about aging, they're often connected to nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or inflammation. Flax seeds target all three. Flax seeds are packed with vitamin E, omega-3s, and lignans. A 2015 study in the International Journal of Trichology found that participants who consumed higher amounts of flaxseed for healthy, shiny hair. Vitamin E improves blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles. Omega-3s fight inflammation that can lead to hair shedding, and lignans balance hormones that impact hair growth. In a 2015 study from the International Journal of Trichology, participants who consumed higher omega-3s reported less hair loss and stronger, shinier hair. These are how you can add flax seeds for hair health. Blend them into smoothies or shakes with berries and spinach. Make flaxseed hair gel, boil flax seeds in water, strain, and use the gel to moisturize curls. Sprinkle ground flax seeds into your morning yogurt bowls. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing fuller, healthier hair, all from making one small daily addition to your diet. That's the power of flax seeds. Cancer is a scary topic, but it's empowering to know that our daily choices can actually reduce risk. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of lignans, which are known for their cancer-protective properties. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology indicates that consuming flaxseed is associated with a lower risk of breast cancer. Other studies have shown potential protective effects against prostate, colon, and ovarian cancers. Lignans act as antioxidants, protecting cells from DNA damage. They also help balance hormones, which is especially important for hormone-related cancers. These are how you can use flax seeds for protection. Stir ground flax seeds into your cereal or breakfast bowl daily. Mix them into your smoothie along with antioxidant-rich berries. Bake them into healthy treats like muffins or energy bites. While flax seeds aren't a magic bullet, they are a small daily choice that can compound into incredible protective benefits over time. Think of them as tiny seeds of prevention and hope. And there you have it, 11 amazing ways flax seeds can transform your health from the inside out. Whether it's balancing your hormones, boosting heart health, controlling blood sugar, improving digestion, managing your weight, clearing up your skin, promoting hair growth, or even reducing cancer risk, flax seeds are tiny but mighty allies in your health journey. The best part? They're affordable, easy to use, and incredibly versatile. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight, just adding a tablespoon or two each day can start making a difference you can feel and see. So, here's my challenge for you. Pick one way to add flax seeds to your routine starting today. Maybe it's sprinkling some into your breakfast or blending them into your smoothie. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the magic happen. Which of these flax seed benefits surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. It helps more people find this information. Subscribe if you want more natural health tips that actually work. And share this video with someone you love who might benefit from these powerful seeds. Thanks for spending this time with me today. Your health journey is important, and you're doing amazing just by being here and learning. Keep going. You've got this.